Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be checking out the web display mod. So let's get into it. Okay, so first things first. I have okay, so I have two screens already set up here, and this is going to be permanent for any showcases I do. I'm going to have items on the outside and block from this side. May change in the future, but yeah, let's get into it. So first we have the web screen. The black light of the web screen. And we're going to need 3 of these. So I also have this new crafting grid, and I can input them 1, 2, 3. It'll automatically go. So 1, 2, 3, and then I click this lever. You can see them up there going in. And then I replace these, and there's the graph button. Now I could just input. Now I could just input these, and it'll automatically go. Done. Now we have a 3-block light. So now for the next item. So now we have our linking tool. So this item requires stick, redstone, ender pearl, and button. Okay, now we've got all that. Craft it up. And we have our linking tool. Next. Okay, this is in both the keyboard and the remote controller. So for this, we have the 8 wooded slabs surrounding a redstone torch. 1, 2, and 3. Sure do that. Do it, yeah. Alright, and the next one. So this thing is the peripheral base. Okay, it's almost done. And now okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the next thing we have the keys. I already crafted the keys, but they are used in the stone pressure plate. So the first thing of the blocks that we have, it uses 3 glass, red, green, and blue dye, and a black light. So now I just trigger this, and it should all be coming through. Yeah. screens in. Okay, click that off and click that on. Now we have our 8 web screens. Linking tool and let's see what's that. The remote controller. Let's get rid of those because I don't need those. Okay. So one of those are peripheral base. Any of those important. So these back. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And about that. It loads. Okay, now we have the remote controller. So I can remove those. Don't need it anymore. And we got our remote controller. Now for the keyboard. I'm not sure why this is not showing up, but on the slides I have, there's 8 around there. So, okay. Okay, now we have our keyboard. Now we can go to the setup. Okay, now that we have everything here, we could get the keyboard and the remote controller out. You place those, they don't have to be next to each other, but it's better to have them next to each other because this is how you change the what page it's on. The linking tool and the web screen. Okay, so that's about good there. Okay, so in order to set this up, you have to turn it on by right-clicking any of the screens. I just like to do it here. And this is pretty small, so you would have to do all that. But you can then use the linking tool on it. And you have to right-click them separately because you can't just click it and then click both of these. You have to do it separately. So now I can edit any HTML. So, okay. So now that we got that, now I just press OK and it goes to the web page. And you can't sign in with Google due to it not being a browser, due to it being its own browser, but yeah, there you go. Okay, now there's something called upgrades. These I don't have the crafting recipes for up on the screen, but I do have the items in here. So the upgrades are your redstone input, redstone output, which I don't know if they're what they can exactly be used for yet, but I'm sure they're pretty useful. Now the GPS, again, I don't really know what it's doing. Maybe you can figure out when you download the mod, it shows you can press F1 while hovering over the item and it allows it to pull it up, but it says like any other upgrades you need to link it. That doesn't help for what it does. So it just allows website pages to get the relative position of the screen, which I don't know how that would be useful, but it's there. I can't figure out how to use it either. Oh, okay. And then we have the one I was using at the start, the laser sensor. Again, you could just apply it by right-clicking it. upgrade installed, and now I can use. Now I can go back as far as I want, and still use the screen. So just go to videos because it's not. Scroll bar is sometimes buggy, but other than that, you can just press the arrows anyway. And then next we have the server, the screen configuration, and the minipad. The screen configuration, you gotta right click it, and then uh, it changes the URL for other people in the world. Now this can be only used by the screen owner, which is me, and you can see all the upgrades, and you can change and edit the resolution, and I guess the rotation. I haven't tried this yet. Huh, just, yeah. Oh, and you can change the volume of it. So, next we have the mini pad. You turn it on by right clicking, and then you could shift right click, and you could change the URL. And then you right click to use it. This is just a portable version of this, and you don't need the keyboard or the URL thing. Now we have the server, which I don't think links to this. Yeah, no. I haven't played this with this one much, but I wasn't able to figure it out. So I'd just be dumb, but yeah. And then we have the battery pack, which I checked in here. It's not used for any crafting recipes. See, so I could click it, and then if I right click it, it should show what it's used to craft. But so when I right click the battery, it shows that it's used to craft. But when I right click the battery pack, it doesn't do it. Anyway, that's all I have to show for you for today. Bye.